So what if you found an AI analysis on your Amazon account and you want to run it simultaneously while you sleep? That's what we're going to be talking about today is Claude Code. Hello, my name is Nan Din and I'm with Stellar Labs and I'm here with James Tuxbury. Please say hello.
Hello, everybody.
All right, we've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012 and I'm your guide to your AI revolution for e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe. So here's a problem nobody's talking about. We've got the cloud connected to the Amazon data using the Seller Labs MCP here, and it can give some amazing insights. And it's a game changer, right? Uh, for some people, it's been a game changer. And but here's the catch: you can only run one analysis at a time, one conversation thread, one account, one question, and then you wait. Then you ask the next question. Then you wait again. So if you're an agency and you're managing 20, 30, or 40 client accounts, this is an impossible task. You're stuck doing the same analysis over and over again, manually switching accounts, copy and pasting queries. It's like having a Ferrari that you can only drive in first gear. So what's different now, James?
Well, yeah, until now, where Anthropic, with them releasing Cloud Code, I'm not exaggerating when I say that it changes everything for Amazon sellers with technical teams. And here's what makes it different. First of all, it runs in the terminal, which most developers are already comfortable with working with that. So they already have the tools for that. And secondly, and more importantly, it can spin up multiple agents at the same time, running different tasks, or possibly even on different accounts autonomously. Which means that analysis that you do manually for each client or for each account, that takes 20 minutes per account, and you have to do them one at a time and run it manually and do all that stuff. You can now have something like Cloud Code run all those analysis simultaneously, without having to do anything manually. No authentication headaches, none of that stuff. Uh, the another benefit is that it has direct file system access. It can read and write files directly to Google Drive or to your local file system. And if you have it somewhere like Google Drive, your whole team has access to the results in one place without having to do anything. You're just ready to go.
So I think let me give a little bit of context. Basically, you have a new insight you want to look into to see if, and you ask Claude to run that analysis, and you found some great insights. For example, like PPC, like you found a way to save on costs if we just analyze it for the one account. But if you want to scale up to multiple accounts, this would enable you to do that, right?
Yep. Uh, and here's the part that actually made me stop and think about the implications of this. You can build multi-agent systems. So you can have a system where you have, for example, a manager agent that keeps track of the overall strategy and what the plan is, but hands off the actual implementation work to side agents that carry out the actual implementation of the tasks. And what this does for you is it keeps your context clear on your planning agent, and the sub agents are the ones actually handling the implementation. Uh, so that allows you to work either on multiple tasks or just keep your planning context clear and good to go. And we have here this diagram that I'm showing here of the agent system.
Yeah, right here. You got the manager that spins up the other agents and does the work. And the manager can evaluate and correct each of the agents themselves.
Right, and that is the next thing that agents actually, you can even have agents whose job it is to just evaluate the work of the other agents and make sure that everything is uh working correctly, and just having double checks and fix problems and things. This is, as far as we know, the first time that an AI agent platform connects directly to Amazon seller data and can run multiple autonomous tasks at a large scale. which gives us the ability to ask Claude about our specific data or your specific data. And then Claude Code gives us the ability to scale that across your entire business.
So basically, the MCP connects Claude um, to your Amazon's specific data, and then Claude Code scales that up.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Now, here's the full transparency. This is not for everyone. This is like a very advanced topic. So if you're just a small seller just getting started, you probably don't need this yet. Regular Claude AI with MCP is powerful enough. You can do your analysis on your account one at a time. But if you're an agency or if you're a large seller who have your own developer with that handle multiple brands and you're tired of the manual work, like this is the unlock because here's what nobody tells you about AI tools. The limitation is rarely the AI itself. It's usually the interface or usually the ability to use it at scale. And Claude Code just removed that limitation for us. And again, like we're going to be testing this ourselves. This is a new emerging capabilities and it's running we're going to need to be running on real clients, find out like where we can use this new tool that we just found to unlock value for agencies or sellers. And we'll let you know what we learn and the good, the bad, and like the holy crap moments. I didn't know it could do that. All right. So this is definitely not for everybody. This is for the advanced sellers who know what a terminal is and how to get around. But if you have a developer that knows that, you just have some very powerful tools. So if you're technical enough, or you have somebody on your team who does, um, go to our website at sellerlabs.com/Amazon MCP to learn more about the MCP and then Claude Code. Reach out to us, and we have some documentation on how you connect your Claude Code to your MCP. And so basically, the playing field just shifted to for those who are early adopters. You have a great advantage because the rest of the world does not know about these capabilities yet. The early adopters will get the competitive advantage, and just remember that the AI revolution is happening. It's happening so fast, and it's happening at accelerated pace. So if you're able to take advantage of that, then you got a huge leg up. And also remember, like a lot of these capabilities we're talking about, this is the dumbest AI you ever have because in the future it'll just get smarter and smarter and learn more and more. So again, visit our website, sellerlabs.com/MCP, and we'll see you next time.